Okay, now this is where grouping like terms is going to come in. X raised to the 2, y raised to the 2, x raised to the 2, y raised to the 2. So those two things, right? If you really look at them, they're in the same family. And then you have x, y to the 2, and another xy to the 2. So they will do anything to confuse you, right? Look on it like this. If you have minus 8 plus 11, this is the same as 11 minus 8. It is understood that there's a positive sign in front of the 11. Most times we don't write it, right? So if we were to rearrange them, then this is what it would look like. It would look like that. So think of it as the minus 8 is in front of the plus 11. The other way around, it is the plus 11 in front of the minus 8. Now, let us add some elements to that now. You're going to have x to the 2, y to the 2. That does not look like a y though. That's kind of crazy. There we go. Still trying to get that. All right. That was, every time I try to do this thing, it's like, it is pandemonium, honestly. Yeah? All right. Let me dispense with that nonsense, right? So, that is really, okay. So, minus 8 plus 11. Now imagine if you would, right? X, well, see, this is what I don't like about this. It's as if it doesn't want me to select the, like it doesn't want me to select in here.